Python to shut down your computer. First, let's start by importing the OS module. Import OS. Then let's ask the user if he or she would like to shut down. Let's name it shutdown prompts equals input. Would you like to shut down? Yes or no? Okay. Then let's use, I will not be using if or else statement. I will be using the while, the mash case. So let's say mash shutdown prompts case. Case equals case of yes. No, let me start from the no. Case no and all no. In case the user enter n or no, it will just print goodbye. Then case y or yes. I'm using this in case anyone the user enter, it will definitely work. So os.system, this you go through the system file. For Windows is system32 system, then shut down. You want to fully shut down is S, while for hibernation is T, shutdown /T, or you can also use like this, it will work. But let's use this /H for hibernate, S for shutdown, R for restart. So I'll be using S and T. So that's all. Let's run our program. Would you like to shut down? No. Let's start with no. Goodbye. I mean, just wait and this. Yes. And it works. See you guys next time.